right, review topic 13, the metric system. Okay, so on table D, you have a list of symbols and a list of what they measure, so what they're the units for. So you don't have to remember what unit do I need for length. It's right there. You don't have to remember what unit do I need for pressure, what unit do I need for temperature. All right there. Sometimes you are used, the language is used for SI units. That's the International System of Units. And listed here, the ones that are relevant for chemistry would be Kelvin for temperature, meter for distance, second for time, mole for the amount of a substance, and kilogram for mass. So although yes, gram is a unit for mass, 100%, as in SI language, so to speak, common language for chemists around the world, we're going to use kilogram. So if we measured in grams, we would convert, okay? You should know how to do conversions, okay, from the metric system. You can use, so let me just show you, you can use this table right here on your reference table, table C, to help you build the staircase. So kilo says 10 to the negative 3, 10 to the 3, so it is up on the third step. And then deci says 10 to the negative 1, so it is down 1. And what is that all in reference to? The base unit. So kilo up 3, deci down 1, centi down 2, milli down 3. So if we are converting deciliters to milliliters, so let's look. So we have 1.73 as our deciliters, and we want to go down here. So we need to go 1, 2. So I'm going to take my decimal point and move it 1, 2. So it will be 173. Ooh, that's a terrible 3, but you get the idea. Now this one I have 5.21 grams. So I'm starting on base unit. And I want to go up here to kilo. So 1, 2, 3. So take this decimal, move it 1, 3. So the decimal would be right here. But I need to fill these missing spaces with 0. So it would be 0, 0, 5, 2, 1. And then usually a leading 0 in front here. So that's how you do conversions using the staircase. And that's it.